Okay, last week we have discussed the basic tags related to HTML, and today we have discussed HTML colors as well as HTML entities, and then we have to proceed to the HTML lists. Right, please write the heading HTML colors, HTML colors. So this is a general topic. This is a general topic. Why I'm telling this is a general topic? Because this colors section is not just related to HTML. The color section is related to different screen applications, different screen applications. So this is common to all the screens. Like basically, it's common to this is commonly applied as screen colors. So in Photoshop, in graphic designing, in web, in other user interface applications, right? User interface applications, various applications. This is used as the basic, right? This color codes and color system. Basically, in your screen, there are three colors, that is red, green, and blue. These are called primitive colors in computing. Red, green, and blue colors are called primitive colors in computing. So those are primitive screen colors. And each color will get 8-bit portion to represent its value. Okay, let's think like this. If there are 2 bits, how many combinations you can create? If there are 2 bits, how many combinations? Please answer from grade 10 knowledge. Grade 10 knowledge. If there are 2 bits, how many combinations? Yes, Lashen's correct. 4 combinations. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. These are the 4 combinations applied for the 2 bits. 3 bits, how many combinations? 3 bits. Yes, it is 8. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, and 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1, 1. So these are the 8 combinations, right? These are the 8 combinations. Basically, 3 bits, there are 8 combinations, right? 2 bits, 4 combinations, 3 bit, 8 bit, 8 combinations. Then 8 bits, yes, 2 bits, there will be 4 combinations. And 3 bits, there will be 8 combinations. So tell me, if 8 bits, how many combinations? 8 bits, it is just 2, 5, 6 combinations. That is anyway, 2 bit means 2 to the power 2, it's 4. 3 bit, 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3, it is 8. 8 bits, 2 to the power 8. So there will be 256 combinations. Actually, one color, one specific color will get 8 bits representation. So means, right? That means 256 variants of that color. There will be 256 varieties of that color. 256 variants or 256 varieties. So 2 bits, 4 combination. Bit dekak tibbanan combination hatra. You can see this 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So these are the 4 combinations. 2 bits, 4 combinations. 3 bits, 8 combinations. 3 again, this is another likewise. There will be 8. 2 to the power 3. 8 bits, 256 combination, 2 to the power 8. So that means one color will get 8-bit representation. So one color will have 8 bits. So there will be 256 varieties of particular color. Means there will be 256 red colors. Red varieties. Red poddak red, ඊට poddak red, ඊටත් poddak red, ගොඩක් red, ගොඩක්ම red, මහා ගොඩක් red. Likewise. So this is what I was just quite kidding, but so likewise, if you name these colors, there will be a lot of names, 256 names. That is impossible, right? we cannot name 256 red varieties. So you can say light red, more light red, light red, light red, dark red, dark red, more dark red. Likewise, reddish and red like blue like red like blue. Likewise, you have to tell different names. So I cannot even remember these names, but there will be different. So rose red, maybe wine red, rose red. Likewise, there will be different reds. So how can we name 256 variants, but still we can represent 256 variants using these numbers? Okay, then altogether there are 3 colors now. 3 colors. What are these 3 colors? Red, green, and red, green, blue. These are the 3 colors. Then how many total colors? Total bits? Total bits will be 24, right? 1 will get 8, 8 plus 8 plus 8 will be 24 bits. So there will be 24 bits. So the number of colors, yes, 3 colors. So 3 colors, total bits 24. Because 1 color will get 8 bit. එක color එකට bit 8යි. ඊළඟ color එකට තව 8යි. ඊළඟ color එකට 8යි. 8යි 16යි 24ක් තියෙනවා. So totally there will be 24 bits. 24 bits means 2 to the power 24 colors means it is roughly equivalent to 16 million colors. Roughly it is equivalent to 16 million colors. Is a big number, right? You can write down that point here. So anyway, 1 color will get 8 bits. Here I have represented that in hexadecimal. You know how to convert decimal to hexa, binary to hexa, right? You have to look at the table and write down from the table. Let me show again if you cannot remember the table. So this is the hexadecimal table. How do we convert? Okay, this is hexadecimal table. This has a pattern. You can see the first last bit is toggling 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Likewise, it's toggling. So this is from 0 to F, 0 to 9 and A to F. These are the hexadecimal digits, and these are the corresponding binary digits, right? Corresponding binary digits. So 0 to F, it is toggling. The second bit is then double of the first last bit. That is 00 11 00 11. Likewise, it's toggling. And the third bit is double of the second bit. That is 4 zeros, 4 ones. And the first bit is double of third bit. Sorry, fourth bit is double of third bit. So I'm counting from here to here, right? First bit, second bit, third bit, fourth bit. Fourth bit is double of third bit. That you have 8 zeros, 8 ones. So this is the table. Then how we are going to write the table, how we are going to write the color is based on this. So if you have 8 zeros, the color will be 4 zeros means 0. Again, another 4 0 means 0. So color is 0 0. 8 ones means color is 8 1. 1 1 1 1 is F. The next 1 1 1 1 is another F. So it is FF. Okay, so let's do something like this. I'll give you, okay. First of all, now you know how to convert that and you know these things. I'll give you a small exercise. Yes, I'll give you a small exercise rather than writing this. Just write this exercise, right? Convert the following colors, color codes to hexadecimal and write the color name. Write the color name too. Well, I'm going to write these colors now, so you can just do the conversion part. So I'll give you the digits. You have to write the color name as well as the color code in hexadecimal. The first one is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for red, red, green, blue. The next one, red, green. I'm writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for blue. let me copy this. In front of this, you have to write the hexadecimal code and the color name. Right? Okay, I have given how many questions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's okay, 13 questions. That's enough. That's enough. Just write the color code in front of that and also the color name. Just give a try. First of all, you have to write down this topic, then write the note, then write the question, and in front of that, write the color name. Here, for an example, the first 4 is 0, next 4 is 0, next 4 is also 0, next 4 is 0, next 4 is next 1. So all are zeros. It's 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So no color, we can call that no red, no green, no blue. Red ne, green ne, blue ne, the color will be black. Likewise, please write the remaining color names too. So don't think about don't only think about the examination. If you learn that and if you understand this concept, it will be useful in the exam. Not just in the examination, it will be useful in the life. So in any kind of job, you have to work with the computers, any kind of job in future. So then you need to know, technically understand what's going on in the screen. So that's why I'm asking to send you the color. Okay, what is this color? The second one, you can see this is 0. Blue. 0, 0, yes. Then you have no red, no green, only blue. So the color is blue. You can say 0, 0, 0, 0, FF and color is blue. Correct. Very good. Color is blue. 0, 0, 0, 0, FF and color is blue. Okay, keep sending other colors also. Please send the other colors also. Okay. So the color, next color is yes, correct. So that is no here no red, 0, 0 red. You can say the color is 0, 0 red. You have FF amount of green and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is 4, 4, 2, 0, 0. This is the color. This is green, right? Send it correct. Yeah, some has sent it correct. Okay, then next color. Next color. You have F maximum amount of red, but no green, no blue. No green, no blue. The color is red, right? The next color is you have maximum red, maximum green, no blue. So maximum red, maximum green, you can say the color is yellow. These are called additive colors, right? So this is actually happening in physics. In lights, this happens. When a red light is pointed against a green light in the middle, you can see yellow light. So you can do this using LED bulb, 2 LED bulbs. Just lighten up one LED bulb, the other LED bulb opposite direction. So sorry, both face to face, please lighten them up, and in the middle you can see the yellow gradient, yellow color in the middle. So that is light. This is physics. And the other hand, this is chemistry. This is cyan, magenta, yellow, and key, CMYK, print colors. So printouts, actually this happens through mixing chemicals. This is chemistry. This is mixing light, physics. Mixing light is physics. Mixing chemicals is chemistry. Chemistry is used in the printers, physics used in streams. Okay, red and green mix, it is yellow. The next is FF00FF, red is there, green is not there, blue. Red blue mix is magenta. That is this M, magenta. Then you have no red, green blue. Green blue mix, it is cyan. Cyan means this color. You can see this light color blue. This is cyan color. And then you have all three, red, green, blue, all three mix. That is white color. You know, white light forms rainbow. So that means rainbow is, when you mix the colors in the rainbow, you will be able to create the white light. This is white. It has all the colors. The next color. Okay, I need answers for this question. These 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kindly send me the answer for this 5. That is what show in your thinking abilities. I have given answers for first set of questions. So just give a try. Send me the hexadecimal code at least. Try to tell me the color, but if not, at least send the hexadecimal code. I'll give you 2 more minutes. So try to do that 5 quickly. Right, so at least you could have sent me the code, Puti. That's what I expect. The code
Sir,
what is the code? I'll give you more time. I'll give you more time. So at least send me the code. Be honest to yourself. So do this honestly. Be honest to yourself. Take 4 by 4, write the code. That's all. So look at the table. Look at the table that you have. So if you have not, if you don't have the table, so my advice is just at least take a screenshot of the table. Just take a, because this you should have, you could have created this easily. You can draw this table. It's very easy, 0 to F. I'm not showing it again. Done. So then please divide this 4 by 4. Write down the code and send me the code. I'll wait until you send the code. Otherwise, I cannot text. I don't think that you're learning. Okay, already Lashan had sent me. Right, Lashan had sent me already. I'm waiting for one another. So just send me. I'm waiting for one another answer. Right, I'll give you some time. Just send me. I'm waiting for one more answer. Right. So yes, you have sent me a source how to know the color name. But Lashan, the thing is that yes, it is good. Yes, we can get the color name and all. But the thing is like better if you can predict the color. I'll tell you how. So first of all, please convert the colors. So 1010 is A, no. 1111 is F. Then 0011 is 3. Then 1000 is 8. 1100 is C. Then 0. So then analyze the color, which has the most. So this is red portion. This is red portion, and this is green portion. This is blue portion. You can see green is little low than, but so you can see the highest value is with red, green, blue. So this is blue color, but blue is mixed with the next highest. Next highest is, what is the next highest? It is red. Blue and red mixed, you will get blue and red mixed, you will get magenta. So this will be, so what is this color then? So this is AF38C0. So more is here. So this is red, green, blue. less green, but more blue and red. So this should be some purple-like color. So it should be some purple-like color. This is how we guess. Let's see the color really. If you want to see the color really, you can just go and you can apply that as a background color, body BG color, and then give the color. Give a hash, right? You have to give hash, then the color. You can see it is purple color. Can you see? This is how you find the color, right? So this is AF38C0. It is a purple color, and we guess like that. We guess like that because it is the red, green, blue, blue වැඩිම blue එක ඊළඟට වැඩි red. Red blue mix වුණොත් magenta, purple. එතකොට මේකේ වැඩිපුර තියෙන්නේ blue හින්දා bluish purple එකක් එන්න ඕන. So you got that color. AF38C0. So this is the color. So you have to apply. BG color is the attribute for applying background color. Let's save this. Body BG color, then hash. After hash, the code. Hexadecimal code. So let's see the color now. And it is, let's refresh, and you can see it's purple color. So this is how you kind of find the color, right? Now at least can you understand that now? Because you didn't give me the proper answer. I'm kind of disappointed. So, but so can you at least understand this now or still not? How to analyze and get the color? If yes, please raise your hand and indicate that you understood. Okay, good. So I'll do another one, right? I'll do another one. So this is purple variant, because we cannot say exactly which purple this is, right? So I'm telling purple variant, but there can be tables to find the color, but that is, so technically, so there are ways to find the color. Even you can apply as a background color and see it. But so the thing is, the most important thing, you need to predict the color. So this is the next set. Next set of colors, you can say 0. Then this is 2. 0, 2, again 2. This is 8, 2, 8. And this is 5. 5. This is 4. So which has the highest color? So you have to find out that which is the highest color. So it is not red, it is 0 to red, 24, not green, not it's a blue. You can see 54 from blue. And also another point to think, this color is closer to black. Why? So all 0 are black, all lefts are white. All lefts are white. It is more light. If more Fs, or if it is closer to F, it is more lighter. If it is closer to 0, more darker. So this should be a dark blue. Here blue is there, green is also there, but the thing is more blue nivedi. So this should be some dark blue color. Right, let's try this. So you can even apply as a font color hash then, or you can apply as a background color. So let's apply as a background color, save it, and after that let's go and refresh, and then you can see it's very dark blue color. It's dark blue color. So this is how you find the color. It's a dark blue. I'm not agreeing with the shaded green color that you have sent Lashen that previously. I think it has some error. It's not shaded green, it's a purple color, right? Okay, maybe
yes, I have typed. So,
I don't know. So it's a typing mistake or site says shaded green?
no, sir, that link I typed wrong. That's why I get that color.
Oh, all right. So then the next is this is dark blue color, right? Dark blue color. So the next color you can see it is 1010. All are 1010s, right? 1010, 1010, 1010, 1010. All are 1010 means color is AA, right? So it's all AA, again AA, again AA. The color is, how to find the color? It's not any color. So all, so you can, in the description, you can say all colors are in same amount. Therefore, it is not showing any color. instead of that, it shows a color in grayscale. Grayscale means in between, or the max is white, min is black. In between you have other different gray levels. In between you have different gray levels. This is how you justify your answer. The next one, again, let's say this next one is 0 and then F, again 0 F 0 F. And so how to find which kind of gray? This is kind of light gray, right? So why I'm telling this is light gray, because this is closer to F. F වලට ළඟ නම් light gray. So let me show the colors, then you can see that. So I'm pasting this one, save, and then I'm trying it. So you can see it is a light gray. So let's reduce the number. Maybe we can put 888888. You can see it's a medium gray. And let's put some other number like 50 50 50. Then more darker. And if I put something like 10 10 10, it is really dark gray. If I put something like A B C D E, let's say E D, very light gray. Likewise, it is called gray scale if all colors are balanced. So that scale is called gray scale. So I think you got a better idea about these colors now. So it is light gray, and here this is 0 F 0 F 0 F. It will be, so even though the second digit is F, the first digit is 0, right? So you have to give the priority to the digit having more value. So it is 0 F. It is in the 0. It is closer to 0. Don't measure this as closer to F, because this is closer to 0. Make F වලට නෙමෙයි ළඟ 0. මොකද 0 F 0 F 0 F 0 F. So 0 gets more digit value. 0 වල digit value එක වැඩි. Here 16 to the power 0. Here 16 to the power 1. 16 බිඳුවෙනි බලය කොටවල මේ 16 එක්වෙනි බලය. 16 එක්වෙනි බලය කොටවල නැහැ. But 16 බිඳුවෙනි බලය කොටවල තමයි 15ක් තියෙන්නේ. So it's more value go to the 0. So 0 is, so you know, 0 will be very dark when you put this color into the font or anything. Okay, let's put this as it is, and let's put this in the font maybe. So then you can see it is kind of very dark. It's blacky. It's a blacky gray, black light gray. It's a very, very dark gray. You can see it's almost black, but not black. Okay, you can see some characters because it's not really black, but it is blacky. It looks like black. Okay, so it is dark gray. So same explanation, right? All colors are the same amount, and all colors are in the same amount, and colors closer to dark range. So dark range, colors closer to dark gray, and this is no, not F. So the color is here. So it is F and 8, again F and 8, again F and 8. So the color is F8, 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 which should be a light gray. It is light gray. You can see when I analyze, I didn't apply the color, sorry. So let me apply, that is F8, F8, F8. Save, and this is it, it's very light gray. I think now you have better idea how these colors are generated. Please remember that, no need to buy heart. So please remember, write down the same note. Remember that, it will be very easy to remember that. After that, we can move to the, so printer colors are different, right? Printer colors are subtractive, and it is chemistry. So don't expect red ink, don't mix red ink with green ink and expect yellow ink. That won't happen. That will never happen. So when you put the red color ink into green color ink, so it should create something here. It should create something closer to K, brown or brownish color. So that is not this color. So this is CMYK printer colors. This is RGB string colors. So these are two types. So there are some RGB printers too. But I have not seen CMYK screens, but RGB printers are there. Right, it is not difficult thing. Entities are nothing but special characters. Entities are special character, and please remember the number of colors that is generated through, I think we wrote that. Yes, that is this 16 million colors. So this is the number of colors, and HTML entities are special characters. Right? These are special characters which we use to display things in our web pages. So why? Because when we try to display, okay, so please write down under that. When we try to write less than mark, greater than mark, in a page, it can be treated as a tag related symbols than visible output. එයාලා හිතන්න පුළුවන් tag එකක් කියලා මේක. less than අපිට mark එක පෙන්වන්න ඕන page එකේ. greater than mark එක පෙන්වන්න ඕන ඒත් පෙන්ව ගන්න බෑ. උදාහරණයක් මේ තියෙන්නේ. So if I try to show 10 less than 12, then මට මේක පෙන්වන්න ඕන 10 less than 12 කියලා. හැබැයි මම මේක පෙන්වන්න try කරොත්, if I try to do, you can see it will only display, yeah. Here, sorry. So let me add a BR to see this clear breakthrough. Or let's add HR, then it will be clear. Horizontal ruler, save, and you can see it's HR here 10. After that also I'm adding another HR, right? To make it clearly visible, I'm adding these HRs, horizontal rulers. You can see HR self close, and here also in the HR also it gives error. It thinks that HR is also wrong. 10, 12. So what is going on? Only 10 is visible. Only 10 is visible because the other part it will think the other part is a tag. It's a partially open tag. So this looks red. You can see it's giving us error. It should not happen. But if I replace this with and less than NLT semicolon, save it, and LT semicolon, save it, and it will be treated correctly. You can see 10 less than 12, and the HR is also visible. 10 less than 12. So if I want to show that, I have to explicitly mention that what? I have to explicitly tell that. So these are not tags, these are just symbols to tell that I need entities. So that is one reason. And not only that, if I want to display special characters like copyright mark, trademark, so I have to use these things. Then you can see the special characters, copyright, TM, these will be visible in the page. So these are special characters. And if I want to write it in another language, so I can use character code numbers, and hash 65 is character A, capital letter A, and hash 97 is simple letter A. Simple letter A. Right? Capital letter A, simple letter A. Likewise, if you want to write another language and hash 3401 is 406. So let's try. I'm not sure whether I have the character. No, sorry. 3461. Yes, 3461 is Sinhala letter Ayan. You can see Sinhala letter Ayan. Likewise, even we can represent characters in other languages. These are Unicode numbers. Actually, Unicode number is given in your character map. Windows character map. You can just search, click Windows button and search char map or character map. Then it will show the character map. And in the character map, character code will be given in the bottom. This is character map. Let me show if you have not seen. When you insert symbol in word, it comes, right? Insert symbol in the word, it comes. This is what the character map is. Right there in the character map, you can see when you select, you can see U plus 0021. U plus 0021. That is exclamation mark. I hope this image is clear to you. Can you see it? Can you see the U plus number, U plus 0021? Can you see it?
Yes, again.
Okay, 0021. Can you tell the 21 in decimal? 21 is given in hexadecimal. So can you tell the decimal value? 21 in hexadecimal, hexadecimal to decimal. It is either 16 to the power 0, I think 1, that is 1, 16 to the power 1 or in 2. 32, 32 plus 1 is 33. Agree? I think you know how to convert, right? These we learn in grade 10. නේද මේ තියෙන්නේ 16 1 වෙනි බලය මේ තියෙන්නේ 16 බිංදු වෙනි බලය මේ තියෙන්නේ 16 1 වෙනි බලය 16 බිංදු වෙනි බලය කියන්නේ 1යි 1 වරක් 1 1යි 16 1 වෙනි බලය කියන්නේ 16 16 වරක් 2 32යි 32යි 1යි 33යි. This is 33. If I type n hash 33 here and hash 33, it is exclamation mark. It is exclamation marks. So likewise, you can see where's my page? It's missing seams. Okay, go back again. All right, one more time. You can see it is exclamation marks. So likewise, if you have hexadecimal digit in your character map, you have to convert that to what? You have to convert that to decimal and apply as the character code. That is how you write the character code. Right? So please write down this. So then we can use both code names and code ASCII or Unicode values in decimal. Right, then please write down this and show this example. Please write down this now quickly. Right, okay. Now we have discussed about two things, colors and then HTML entities. Okay, what next? We have already discussed about white spaces and also we did about this formatting, text formatting, basic exercises, etc. Now it's time to focus on the lists. In HTML, there are 3 kind of basic lists available, and in your syllabus, you can see these 3 lists: OL, UL, and DL. OL means ordered list. Ordered list in a sense, it has a number in pattern. Number can be either this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like, or it can be A, B, C, D, E, F, capital or simple, or it can even be simple or capital Roman numbers. Actually, it's starting from I, but you know, the Roman numbers starting from I, you know. So that can be even simple or capital Roman number. So these are the 5 types of ordered lists available under OL tag. And there are 2 tags used, OL and LI under that. Actually, I'll be discussing this next day, but first of all, I would like to summarize this. Then the unordered list. Unordered list this is actually the bulleted lists that we learn in Word in grade 10. So you have 3 types of bullets: circles, discs, or squares. Either circles or discs or squares. These are the 3 types of bullets available in bulleted list. Right? And also here we have 2 tags: unordered list, UL tag, and LI tag for list item. So you can see the sample here. And the third one is definition list. This is different from the previous 2 lists, as there are 3 tags. That is DL tag for definition list, DT tag for definition term, and DD for definition description. These 3 are available. There are 3 tags in this definition list. Actually, so in order to show some abbreviations, right, you can use this HTML, hypertext markup language, HTTP, likewise. So this glossary or showing abbreviations can be done with this DD definition lists and definition terms. Term is this one, definition description is this one. That is very quick summary. And also we will be learning about the list inside list, which are called nested lists. Lists inside lists, nested lists. That part we need to do next day. And not only that, we'll do the table part also, and we'll expedite, we'll speed up the lesson next day, and let's try to finish list and also start tables. And after tables, you have very important part, that is object linking and embedding. So that will also be checked in the examination. So then that will be the end of the next practical lesson, and we'll be moving back to the software engineering list part, which is theory part. And after that, I'll move into the another graphic lesson, which is your your 5th one. So, and that is about graphic designing. So there is another practical lesson. You have a lot of practicals in O-level ICT. So don't worry, examination is easy. We'll discuss some sample questions also. Right, with that, I'll stop for today. Then good night. See you all next week.
Good night, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.